In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Notion. Whether you're managing a project or just keeping track of your tasks, Gantt charts offer a great way to visualize timelines and ensure everything is on schedule. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you step by step through the process. Firstly, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Notion's homepage. Once you're there, locate the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Click it to proceed to the login screen. Here you'll see several login options, but for simplicity, we'll use Google. Click on Google and select the Google account that you use with Notion. This will log you into your Notion workspace. Once you're inside Notion, you'll start off by adding a new page. Look for the option labeled Add New and give it a click. This initiates the process of creating a new page. Next, you'll notice an option that says More Templates. Go ahead and click on that to open up a variety of templates that Notion offers. From there, click on More in Marketplace. This step takes you to a section where you can search for various templates. In the search bar, type Gantt chart template and hit enter. You'll see a selection of Gantt chart templates within the marketplace. Simply select the template that appeals to you and fits your project needs. Once you've made your choice, click Add to integrate the template into your workspace. With your template added, click on Gantt chart from the side panel of your workspace. This action will open the Gantt chart in your view. Now maybe you want to tweak the timeline of the chart from a monthly view to something else like weekly or bi-weekly. To do that, simply click on the month option and choose your preferred time frame. As you explore more, you'll find you can view the full details of your project in a data table or spreadsheet format. It's as simple as clicking to switch views, letting you manage your tasks from different angles. You can also change priorities for each task, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Click on Status to easily update the status of a task as it progresses. Now, if you want to expand your project by adding new tasks, click on Timeline and you'll see a plus sign. Click that plus sign to add a new task. A pop-up box will appear, allowing you to edit and input specific details about this new task, such as deadlines or assigned team members. And with those steps complete, you now have a functional Gantt chart in Notion to help organize and track your project timelines effectively. Enjoy streamlining your planning process, and as you become more familiar, don't hesitate to explore more features Notion offers for project management. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.